outside, we're seeing sunny skies across most of the county. It's a little hazy for some of our coastal areas, that marine layer kind of hovering right at the edge there of our coast. Temperatures are in the 80s in Escondido, Ramona, Warner Springs, and Julian. 68 still in Chula Vista this morning, mostly 70s along our coastline. And I had to show you the dew point temperatures because that monsoon moisture was not present this morning. Our dew point temperatures were in the 50s, which is very comfortable. Dew point temperatures are a measure of moisture in the atmosphere. In the deserts, we actually started off this morning in the 30s, and then about 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock this morning, those 70s started to build in. So that monsoon flow is trying to make its way here. Definitely not as humid as it was last week when west of the mountains we had some dew point temperatures close to 70 degrees. So high pressure sitting over the middle of the country. The circulation around it is mostly taking those monsoon storms mostly in a northerly direction. So there's really only about a 10% chance for a pop-up shower or thunderstorm near our mountains today. Most of the activity is going to be staying to the east of us. Temperatures will top off near to below normal today, and then we're warming up into the weekend. Though thanks to the marine layer and our ocean, not going to see too much change along our coastline, and our temperatures will be in the mid-70s into early next week. The inland neighborhoods another day in the 80s tomorrow, and then the 90s start to move in Friday, Saturday, and Sunday with minor cooling next week. Overnight temperatures also remaining quite comfortable in the low to mid-60s. By the Friday in the mountains will be near 90, and we're pushing 110 or higher than that into early next week in the deserts. Guys?